Government Degree College, Armor. Jignasa Student Study Project. Our topic is a comparative study on financial position of Varun Motors and Venkateshwara Motors of Nizamabad district. My name is Sanya Firdaus.
My name is Satya Nas.
My name is Rapati Chaitanya.
My name is Dania Manik.
My name is Muhammad Usman.
Introduction. The statement of financial position, often called as a balance sheet, is a financial statement that reports the assets, liabilities, and equity of the company on a given date. In other words, it lists the resources, obligations, and ownership details of the company. This is a snapshot of what the company looked like at a certain time in history. This is true in the sense that this statement is a historical report. It only shows the items that were present on the day of the report. This is in contrast with other financial reports like income statement that present the company activities over a period of time. The statement of financial position only record all company accounts information on the last day of an accounting period. John Mackey said that the analysis and interpretation of financial statement reveal each and every aspect regarding the well-being, financial soundness, operational efficiency of the concern.
Objective of the study: to ascertain the financial position of the firm, to know the financial comparative study of both the company. To know the financial comparative study of both the companies, to know about the business activities of a companies for profit and loss, to provide a meaningful information about the capacity of a business for paying loan and interest thereon, to provide information about the economic resources and obligations and their changing pattern. To know the financial performance of the company by studying the ratio, to examine the solvency of the firm. Methodology: the automobile industry is a growth industry. It has a broken record in recent years with no end in sight. But along with record growth, the industry is also facing challenges like demographic changes and profound shift in a global economic power are causing massive upheavals in demand. Consumer expectations are changing radically.
Scope of the study: area Nizamabad, period 2018 to 2022. Type: financial position comparative study. The scope of the study involves the various factors that affect the financial growth of the performance of the company. This study finds out the financial position, that is, operating and non-operating income resources to improve the financial performance. This study covers the period of the year 2018 to 2022 for analyzing the financial statement of balance sheet.
Review of literature. Review of literature can be just a simple summary of the sources. It is usually organization pattern combine both summary of the synthesis. Owners and managers request to financial statement, make important business decision affect to the operations. Financial analysis they are perform to the business status, business statement and provide to the management. They are more and more details understanding this figure. This figure business statement is used to annual report stockholders. Financial statement have been created on a paper from 100 CS. The growth of the web and more financial statement created electronic form which is exchangeable of a overwork. Common form of electronic financial statement, PDF and HTML, they are types of the electronic financial statement. The drawback of the state. Data analysis and interpretation. In this chapter, an attempt has been made to analyze how efficiently the analysis of financial statement is managed by both
companies, that is Tata Motors and Maruti Suzuki, and also analyze the financial position of the companies. Financial tools such as a schedule of changes, ratio analysis and balance sheet have been used for the purpose of analysis. A balance sheet summarizes and organization or individual assets, equity and liabilities in a specific point in time. We have two forms of balance sheet, that they are report form and the account form. A personal balance sheet lists current assets such as cash and checking account and saving accounts. Long-term assets such as common stock and real estate. Current liabilities such as loan debt, mortgage debt due or overdue. Long-term liabilities such as mortgage debt and other loan debt. Securities and real estate values are stored rather than at historical cost. Guidelines for balance sheet of given by the guidelines for balance sheets of public business entities are given by the International Accounting Board and numerous country organization, specific organization. Companies.
Interpretation. The fixed assets of Venkateshwara Motors are 41,370.20 and Varun Motors are 25,353.20.
Total assets of Venkateshwara Motors greater by 7,375.97 with 17.32%.
Current liabilities of Venkateshwara Motors are 20,370.360. Varun Motors are 17.819.20 with 14.96%.
Reserve of Varun Motors greater by 39.63%.
The overall financial position of the companies during this period is of the study is satisfactory.
Finding conclusion and suggestions. Present project work has been undertaken to study the financial position of Varun Motors and Venkateshwara Motors. During the analysis, we found the following. There is rapidly increase in fixed assets in every year. In every year investment and current assets, it was found that continuous fluctuation in current assets and current liabilities in both the companies. In both the companies, we have observed reserve increases in official manner. It shows good sign that an organization is in good position in both the companies. The financial position of Varun Motors and Venkateshwara Motors are quite comfortable with judicious mixed debt and equity. The Varun Motors have steady increase in financial position comparing to the Venkateshwara Motors. The overall assessment financial statement signifies effective realization of Varun Motors and Venkateshwara Motors have the profit effective realization of investment, loans and advance shows the profitability of the company appears to be impressive. The balance sheet accounts names and usage depends on the organization type and organization country and type of organization. Bibliography. We referred books, journals and newspapers, and also we collected more information from www.varunmaruti.com and www.tatamotors.com.
Thank you.